Tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of retiring before 40? What if I told you that achieving financial freedom isn't just possible, but could be your reality in less than a decade? Today, we're breaking down a 5-step plan that will transform your approach to money, equip you with tools to grow your wealth, and free you from the chains of daily routine. Get ready to change the rules of the financial game and start your journey to a life of abundance. Stay with us, because this is what you need to know to make your money work for you, instead of you working for it. The first step on our journey to financial freedom is to conduct a complete personal financial assessment. This means taking a moment to really understand where you are financially today. This is where you look under the hood of your economic situation and start mapping out where you want to go. Income analysis. Start by calculating your total income. This includes not just your salary, but also any other regular income you receive, such as rent, dividends, or earnings from freelance work. Having a clear figure of your monthly income is crucial for planning any financial strategy. Expense review. Next, review your expenses. This might be more complicated, as it will require you to track every purchase for a month. Categorize your expenses into areas such as housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and others. This is a vital part to understand how your money flows and where you might begin making cuts. Debts and financial obligations. Identify all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, mortgages, and any other type of financial obligations. Note the interest rates and payment terms for each of these debts. Understanding your debt load is fundamental to prioritizing payoffs and improving your overall financial health. Savings and investments evaluation. Finally, take inventory of your savings and investments. This includes savings accounts, emergency funds, retirement accounts, and other investments. It's important to know how much you have set aside for emergencies and whether you're making the most of your investment options. With all this information, you'll have a clear view of your current financial situation. This is not only crucial for planning the next steps towards your financial freedom, but also for establishing a baseline from which to measure your progress. This first step, though it may seem intimidating, is essential. It provides you with the solid foundation on which you can build a successful and lasting financial plan. Without a clear understanding of where you are today, it will be difficult to effectively chart a path to where you want to be. The second step towards financial freedom is to clearly define your financial goals. This isn't just about saying, "I want to be rich." It's about setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, or what we call SMART goals. Let's break down how you can set goals that are not only inspiring but also feasible. Specific. Simply wanting more money isn't enough. Define exactly what you want to achieve. Is it buying a house, saving for your children's education, or perhaps securing a comfortable retirement? Name it clearly. Measurable. Set concrete figures. If your goal is retirement, calculate how much money you need to live comfortably. Tools like online retirement calculators can help you get a number that reflects your real needs. Achievable. Your goals need to be realistic. If you're earning $50,000 a year, it's impractical to aim to save $1 million in 5 years without a drastic change in your income or lifestyle. Adjust your expectations to your earning and saving capacity. Relevant. Ensure your financial goals align with your values and life vision. If you value traveling, consider creating a travel fund. If family comes first, think about savings plans for education or buying a family home. Time-bound. Each goal should have a deadline. This gives you a sense of urgency and helps you plan more effectively. For example, if you plan to buy a house in 5 years, you'll know how much you need to save each month to make your down payment. By setting financial goals using the SMART method, you'll not only have a clear plan, but also be able to see tangible progress toward your objectives. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation and your goals are set, the third step to achieving financial freedom before 40 is to create multiple sources of income. Diversifying your income can make you less vulnerable to economic fluctuations and speed up your path to financial independence. Passive income. Start by exploring opportunities for passive income. These are earnings that require little maintenance once established. Examples include renting out real estate, writing a book, or creating online courses that generate recurring sales. Investments that pay dividends are also an excellent source of passive income. Freelance and consulting. If you have specialized skills or knowledge, consider offering your services as a freelancer or consultant. This can be an effective way to generate additional income while maintaining a full-time job. Platforms like Upwork or Freelancer can be a good starting point. Online business. Starting an online business offers significant potential. It could be something related to e-commerce, such as a Shopify store, or starting a blog with monetization through advertising and partnerships. The key is to choose something you are passionate about that can also be monetized.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
Investments. Increasing your income can also come from smart investing. Consider investing in the stock market, mutual funds, or cryptocurrencies if you have a penchant for high technology and a good appetite for risk. Remember, these options can offer high returns but also come with corresponding risks. Automation and scalability. Whatever route you choose, look for ways to automate and scale your income sources. Use tools and software to minimize the time and effort required, allowing you to focus on expanding your income rather than just maintaining it. Creating multiple income streams not only provides financial security, but also allows you to reach your financial goals faster. By diversifying your income, you insure yourself against unforeseen events and position yourself on a more solid path to financial freedom. The fourth step is crucial and possibly the most exciting. Smart investing. Investing is not just for the wealthy. It is an essential tool for anyone looking to build long-term wealth and achieve financial freedom. Understand the basics of investing. Before you start, it's vital to understand the basic principles of investing, such as diversification, risk versus return, and the importance of the investment horizon. Take advantage of online educational resources, books, and seminars to strengthen your knowledge. Choose the right tools. Use reliable and low-cost investment platforms. Robo-advisors, for example, can be an excellent way to get started, as they offer automated investment management based on your goals and risk tolerance. Diversify your portfolio. Do not put all your savings into one investment. Spread your money across different assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. Diversification reduces risk and smooths out market fluctuations in your portfolio. Invest regularly. Adopt the habit of investing regularly through a systematic investment plan. Investing a fixed amount monthly in various assets can help you build wealth consistently and take advantage of dollar-cost averaging, minimizing the impact of market volatility. Stay informed. The world of investing changes rapidly. Stay up to date with market trends, economic policy adjustments, and other factors that could impact your investments. Subscribe to financial newsletters, follow experts on social media, and participate in investor communities. Smart investing will not only increase your wealth, but also provide you with the freedom to make life decisions without financial pressure. Finally, the fifth step is to manage and reduce your debts. Financial freedom isn't just about how much you earn or invest, but also about how much you owe. Evaluate your debts. Start by making an inventory of all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, mortgages, and car loans. Note the interest rates for each and prioritize the debts with the highest interest rates for payment. Choose effective strategies. Use debt repayment strategies like the snowball or avalanche methods. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debts first, and then using those freed-up payments for the larger ones. The avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Consider refinancing. If you have loans or mortgages with high interest rates, consider refinancing to lower rates. This can reduce your monthly payments and the total cost of your debts. Automate payments. Set up automatic payments to ensure you always pay on time and possibly more than the minimum. This not only improves your credit score, but also reduces the total amount of interest you will pay over time. Maintain an emergency fund. Make sure to have an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This protects you from falling into further debt in case of an emergency. By reducing your debts and managing them wisely, you'll free up more of your income to save and invest, speeding your path to financial freedom. And there you have it, a 5-step plan to financially free yourself before 40. From assessing your financial situation to making smart investments and managing your debts, each step brings you closer to your goal of financial freedom. But remember, knowledge alone is not power. Real power comes from action. So, I challenge you to take the first step today, because every moment counts on your journey to financial independence. If this video has inspired or helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips on how to take control of your financial future. Share this video with friends or family who might also benefit from these tips, and don't forget to leave your questions or experiences in the comments. Which step do you find most challenging? Which will you implement first? Let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Dare to take the reins of your financial life now. See you in the next video.